Today in this video we are going to see how to create an online quiz by using Google Form. First thing is we are going into the Google Form. As soon as it goes into the Google Form, it opens a blank Google Form. Since we have planned to create an online quiz, I am naming this as online quiz. So when I click here, the same title comes here. So first things, I am going into the setting. There are general, presentation, and the last one is quiz. So I am selecting the quiz and I am selecting make this as a quiz. There are quiz options that is available. I am leaving those options as default and I am saving this question. Now I am giving the first question. So in the first question I am asking it as what is the capital of India. So the multiple choice has been selected already. I am giving the answers. So 2 to 3 options such that a student can choose one out of it. So I have given 3 options here. Now I have to give the right answer and I have to assign some marks for proper and automatic evaluation. So I am clicking this left corner, the tick mark, which moves to the next page where I can select the right answer and I can give the marks for it. So I have given the marks and I have selected the right answer. I am clicking done. Now the entire thing is completed. So what we have done, we have created an online quiz and we have created the question and we have given the right answer and the marks for it. So we have to make this much more comfortable, because at last when the student submitted, we want to know who has submitted it. So I am including some more details here. Name of the student. It automatically goes to short answer and I am making it as required. Why I am making it as required is we want to know the name of the student who is going to give the response. And one more here, in colleges we will definitely have register numbers for the student. When I type register number, there will automatically opens a response validation. I don't go for response validation, I am removing the response validation. So first thing I am asking the name of the student, register number of the student. I am making this also as required because we want to know the register number and student name. Then it goes to the first question. Now to make it much more pleasing to view, I am creating sections here. I am creating section. So here I am creating a section. So untitled section. So this online quiz, in the first section we have the name of the student and the register number of the student. Once the student enters these data, he moves to the next section where the actual quiz starts. The first question is here. Okay. So this becomes much more easier to segregate for us, and the student details can be collected. And to make it secure, I have another option here. I am creating another section. I am creating another section here, an untitled section. So where I am giving a password. Password for this entire quiz. So here when I type the password, it goes for short answer, and here I am going to use the response validation. I am giving it as text. You can give whatever you want. It can be a number, it may be an text, anything. So what happens is it's going to be password. I am giving the password as password, the text as password. So when you are entering password, then only it moves to the next section, right? Section 1 contains the name of the student, register number of the student. Section 2 we are giving a password such that when he enters the password, he moves to the next section. So we will go for preview and see how it appears at the student end. So here I am giving the name of the student and register number I am giving it as 1. we are moving to the next page where it requires a password to attend the online quiz. So I am typing it as password. If I am going to give a wrong password here, it might contain password, so I am giving a right password here. It goes to the next page. What is the capital of India? I am giving the right answer. Submit it. View the score. So it gives all the details which I have entered and the marks which has been obtained. This is fine.